Once upon a time, in a wide blue river, there lived many fishes. Some were small and silver, some were big and golden, and some were quick like arrows in the water. They all lived happily among the green weeds and smooth stones at the bottom of the river. One day, a group of young fishes began to boast. "We are the smartest fishes in the river," said one shiny fish proudly. "Yes," said another, flicking its tail. "No one can ever catch us. We are too fast and too clever." The older fishes heard them and shook their heads. An old fish with grey fins said kindly, "Do not be too proud, little ones. Pride can lead to danger." But the young fishes laughed. "Danger?" one of them said. "Who can harm us? We know every corner of this river. We can swim faster than any net." The old fish sighed and swam away. The next morning, the sun rose bright and warm. The young fishes played near the surface, splashing and racing one another. Suddenly, a fisherman came to the river. He carried a long net and a basket. He looked at the shining water and smiled. "This looks like a good place," he said. The old fishes saw him first. "Hide deep in the river," cried the grey fish. "A fisherman is here." At once, the wise fishes started into the deep water, hiding under rocks and thick plants. But the proud young fishes laughed again. "Why should we hide?" said one. "We are too fast for a fisherman." "Yes," said another. "Let him try." The fisherman stood quietly at the edge of the river. He watched the water carefully. Soon he saw the young fishes jumping and shining near the surface. "Ah," he said, "those foolish fishes will be easy to catch." He threw his net wide into the water. The proud fishes saw it too late. Splash! The net spread over them like a great shadow. The young fishes rushed this way and that. Swim faster, turn left, go deeper, but it was no use. Their tails tangled in the net, and the more they struggled, the tighter it became. Meanwhile, the wise fishes stayed hidden below, safe in the deep water. The fisherman pulled up his net and smiled. "What a fine catch," he said, dropping the trapped fishes into the basket. The young fishes cried sadly. "We were too proud. We should have listened." From deep below, the old grey fish watched with sorrow. When the fisherman left, the river grew quiet again. The old fish gathered the younger ones who had escaped. "Remember this day," he said gently. "Pride makes the ears deaf and the eyes blind. Wisdom listens, pride laughs and suffers." From that day on, the little fishes of the river became humble. They listened to the old fish, stayed careful, and never again mocked good advice. And in time, they grew wise too. Moral of the story is, pride brings danger, but wisdom brings safety. Thanks for listening. For more interesting stories, like, share, subscribe to the channel.